Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Paul Titterington from Platinum Partners Realtors in Downers Grove. I'm doing an open house right now at 621 Nelson, and it's over in Westmont. And right now we've got it for $599. It's a 4-bedroom, 5 full baths. So it's 4-bedroom, 5 full bath. We're open 1 to 4. So what's the deal with open houses? We do open houses so people can come through. I know it's pretty obvious, but a lot of the people are just researching. So they just come through, you meet them, you talk to them, and then also they take a look at a house, and it also helps them gel what they're looking for. The house right now is $599,900. So stop by 1 to 4. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.